Okay. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining our session today, a webinar on the topic of how to optimize your testing and automation activities as part of your S/4HANA journey. We would like to introduce you some new stuff from Panaya, talking about our latest and greatest solutions for S/4HANA projects, as well as testing automation activities. Obviously, everything is in one platform with AI power, change intelligence that we have been perfecting for the past 15 years. I'm here with my colleague, Alimi. We will introduce ourselves just now. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Amit Garusi. I'm VP Product in Panaya. I've been with SAP for over 20 years, doing multiple roles around starting from testing, training, simulation, as well as consultancy, project management, development, and basis team management. I've managed many SAP projects during my career. And what I'm doing today, I'm leading SAP products in Panaya. To you, Benj.
Yeah, thank you, Amit. Hi, everyone. I'm Benjamin Alimi, Director of Product Management for Smart Testing Solutions at Panaya. With 15 years in enterprise software and consulting, I've also worked with major clients in various industries. I've also managed many SAP projects. And at Panaya, I focus on developing, advanced testing tool for efficient and smart test automation and test management.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so a bit about Panaya. So we are the leading solution for change intelligence with deep domain expertise in SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, and business applications. We have more than 3,000 trusting customers around the globe and global partnerships, obviously, with SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, and many other business partnerships around the world. Also, our customers and users are showing a lot of love and respect on G2 and other peer site review sites where you can see our ranking year after year. We are leading with many functional badges there. You're more than welcome to go and see. Okay, so I'll start with what I took from an SAP Insider report, which got my attention on customers' inquiries during their S/4HANA project. So as we all know, S/4HANA projects are complex, are long, and very risky, and obviously very costly. So most of the customers and partners are looking for solutions and products to help them achieve their goal and complete this project successfully. So you see here many products and tools that customers are looking for. I have highlighted the main ones, which are around impact analysis tools. As we all know, an S/4HANA project involves many changes to the system, so they're looking to see the impact. So almost a third of the market is looking for impact analysis tools. Automated deployment, same, almost like around a third of the market. Automated testing and test management. Obviously, these kind of projects involve intensive testing with lots of work over there. So again, around a third of the market. Code analysis tools and automatic code remediation tools. Again, most of the customers will have tons of custom code in their legacy ECC system, and therefore they would like to automate as much as possible in order to have a smooth and sleek transition to S/4HANA. So from talking with customers and partners, if I'm asking them directly, from my experience, what are their common challenges? There are obviously many challenges, but the main ones will be around project evaluation and risk management. So starting from the very beginning, understanding the magnitude of the project or how big the elephant is, understanding the scope, timeline, and budget that are required for this kind of project, and also to manage the risk across the project from beginning to end. This is one of the major challenges of customers. Second is around custom code and the completing part, which is existing technical debt due to the custom code that they have been developed in the last decades. So most of the customers will come with an ECC instance, which is there for almost 20 years, maybe a bit less, or maybe a bit more. And during these years, they have been developed it for many reasons in order to address their business needs. Most of the customers will not always remove or cleanse their unused custom code, which eventually translates to technical debt. and adds complexity in this kind of projects. And obviously, they will need to fix their existing technical debt and also fix the code which will work as it should in their S/4HANA instance. Number 3 is remodeling of business processes. Again, remodeling of business processes is an integral part of an S/4HANA project. Many SAP standard processes are changed, replaced, removed. Many processes are introduced. Things are moving to a more seamless, more intuitive solutions, new UIs, and more simple solutions. And this requires lots of work around remodeling of the business processes. And obviously, what brings me to the last challenge, a lot of testing. So testing is needed as part of this project, as part of this change, to test all of the code changes, to test all of the new business processes. And obviously, as we all understand, customers are looking to automate this part as much as possible. We're going to cover these challenges and customer needs during this webinar, so stay tuned. Okay, so if I'm looking at Panaya, it's kind of a flying car. I know that in one of the movies we were assumed to see flying cars by 2015. For those of you who don't know, this is Back to the Future. So we have a flying car, which is a Panaya platform, which is powered by AI and Gen AI. This is the base for our platform, and we are improving it at any time. If I'm looking on two main engines or two main accelerators as part of our solution, these are code automation and test automation. Very much aligned to what customers are looking for as part of their S/4HANA journey or as part of any business, any other business project or even ongoing changes. So let's start with our new solution for automatic code correction. Okay, so what's inside? First, again, I'm very happy to introduce this new solution. We had an existing solution. This is our third generation for automatic code correction. This means that we bring lots of experience, lots of understanding on customers' code, on customers' business processes. And this is our latest and greatest solution as part of Panaya platform. So first and foremost, this solution includes fully automatic code fixes. So you'll see other solutions in the market that eventually you will understand that mostly they're semi-automatic. So I would start and say that our solution is providing fully automatic code fixes. Second, I think this is, again, a very major important pillar is around understanding and reducing the scope of the project via compatibility. And this means that Panaya identifies automatically as part of this tool any code which will work as is, means that it is compatible in S/4HANA, and it will mark it automatically as ready to be moved to S/4HANA. Again, understanding the project complexity and the project evaluation, this can reduce significant part of the project, and therefore it's an important pillar in our solution here. Number 3 is automatic code cleansing. So remember, we spoke about lots of technical debt or very high technical debt, many unused custom code. And most of the customers, again, they did not clean it from the past years. And therefore, we saw it as a challenge to solve to our customers as part of our solution. And again, automatically. Okay, so again, we clean the code for the customers automatically as an integral part of their S/4HANA project. Number 4 is submitting directly to SAP Transport. So we are striving to be the simplest and most intuitive tool for SAP, which is known for their tool's complexity. Our tool provides submission directly to SAP Transport, so everything that you do in Panaya easily by automatic code fixes, automatic code cleansing, and scope reduction, you will be able to submit simply to SAP Transport to your dev environment, and then take it to the later environments as QA and production. Last but not least, Panaya is providing, based on our deep domain expertise, a project methodology, which is fully guided project methodology embedded within the product. It means that from our experience, we understood what will work the best for customers, which order of the phases of the project they should follow, which phases they should do first and second and third. And this is an integral functionality in our solution, so customer can understand exactly which steps they should take and what is the order and dependencies and etc. Okay, to try to summarize what we are having or what we are doing with our new solution. Okay, so first and foremost, we are cutting project cost. Okay, you understand that we are automate a lot of pieces of this project, reducing the cost by automatic fixing of code, which needs to be fixed in order to move to S/4HANA. We reduce total cost of ownership by removing unused redundant code that needs to be cleansed before the move to the new environment. Risk elimination goes without saying. Again, we replace manual fixes of ABAPers by automatic tool that they can submit directly to transport, avoiding any human errors that may happen during manual corrections. And obviously, we release your ABAPers to do and work on business innovation activities rather than working on code that need to be moved to S/4HANA. Last but not least, as I said, everything is based on the same platform. We don't have many tools in different places that not necessarily connect or interface in between. So once you have all the project activities in one platform, obviously you can understand as a manager, as a project manager, testing or dev manager, understand exactly what is the status of the project, whether there are any bottlenecks, and whether you are on time, on budget, on scope, and etc. I didn't say it up until now, but we reduce more than 90% of code correction effort as part of an S/4HANA project. Okay, we already have multiple partners and customers using our code, automatic code correction solution, and these are the numbers. So for some of them, we achieved 95, 98%. All in all, for all of them is more than 90% automation for all of the code correction activities, which are part of an S/4HANA project. Okay, so we are very much excited and very much happy to have this introduced to the market. As I said, we are a market-leading solution, and therefore we must strive for these numbers. Otherwise, it won't be interesting for our customers. Okay, so I talked a lot, but I wanted to show you a quick demo or a quick video on to see our solution in action. I believe that slides are nice, but to see something in action is even better. So let me share with you this video.
Are you on the lookout for the best-of-breed solution for your SAP S/4HANA transition? Panaya is revolutionizing SAP projects with its new automated code correction, a tailored project plan with fully automated code fixes and cleanup. Experience enhanced efficiency with cost and labor savings, reduced technical debt, project visibility, and real-time bottleneck management. Fix 90% and more of your S/4HANA project code automatically, aligned with SAP ATC best practices. Resolve numerous ATC findings, saving precious labor efforts and months of work. Easily review unused programs to be cleansed automatically, ensuring you significantly reduce your custom code fingerprint, and prepare for SAP Clean Core with an easy workflow and automatic pre-built fix packages, differentiating between code fixing, code cleanup, and performance fixes. All pre-tailored to address technical interdependencies between objects. Follow our project plan to track the current project's progress and remaining tasks based on our proven project methodology. Panaya, not only smooth, it's ultra-automatic.
Okay, let's go. So again, thanks, Amit. A great presentation, and let's take a few minutes now, to present our Panaya solution for codeless test automation. So first of all, I think it's important to highlight some key challenges in test automation for SAP and understand how Panaya addresses these issues. Not knowing what to test and what to automate. Many teams today struggle with identifying the right test cases and right processes to automate. And this leads to inefficiency and increased cost of your automation strategy. Panaya's AI-driven recommendation will help you to pinpoint, the critical areas to test and to automate, ensuring, focus on high-impact processes and also reducing the risk. The second pain or challenge, I would say, is, manual regression testing is always a bottleneck. We know that it's time-consuming. It can slow down release cycles, making it, hard to keep pace on innovating fast enough. Panaya can automate regression testing, providing quicker, consistent feedback and significantly reducing the bottleneck of regression testing, allowing for faster and more reliable releases. Most of automation tools in the market today really, I would say they rely heavily on skilled automation engineers, and this strains resources and can cause delays in the process. Our solution, our Codeless test automation solution, you'll see it in a minute, empowers business user and less technical team to create and maintain automated tests by themselves, reducing the dependency on specialized engineers. Lack of deep understanding, of complex enterprise scenario. Let's face it, enterprise environments are complex, and we know that for years at Panaya. And understanding the interaction across ERP systems and other systems and different technologies, different UIs, is something that is crucial in test automation. And our deep understanding of ERP system and the intelligent test recommendation that our solution can provide, it will ensure comprehensive coverage of complex scenarios, enhancing your test efficiency and securing your business, obviously. The maintenance of automated tests is probably one of the main pain that you will hear when you ask about test automation. The fact that also SAP has different UIs, you are familiar with this, you are probably using SAP GUI, SAP GUI on HTML, SAP Fiori, and maybe more legacy UIs. So maintaining automated tests can be very challenging as applications evolve. And Panaya addresses this with self-healing capabilities, ensuring that tests automatically adapt to changes. And additionally, our SAP and SAP Fiori pre-optimized engines can really smartly handle complex UI elements, in your automated script, like, calendars, tables, filters, checkboxes, all of these complex elements that can cause many issues during the test automation process. And this will really help us, to understand the real user intent behind the activities that are performed while creating the script. And this reduces the maintenance effort and enhances the testability with an out-of-the-box very high quality. Last but not least is the business and IT collaboration. Most automation tools, as I mentioned, they are designed for test engineers, They are making business user involvement very difficult. And Panaya fosters the collaboration with an intuitive and single interface that allows both business users and IT to contribute within the same platform. And this ensures, automation efforts align with the business needs. So let's understand a bit more what sets Panaya Smart Testing apart. You can see here Panaya's comprehensive end-to-end solution for test management, test automation, and change impact analysis. And these three pillars, they work together in Panaya to provide a unique and integrated offering for smart testing. First of all, you have the smart test management. Panaya provides a centralized platform for planning, managing, and executing test cases, whether they are manual or automated, ensuring efficient collaboration and comprehensive coverage. This is also the place where you can accelerate your UAT by 50% with real-time collaboration, as well as the place where you can trigger automated tests on demand or scheduled. The second pillar is no-code test automation. Our codeless automation today supports various applications and technology, enabling rapid, reliable test execution with minimal maintenance, as I mentioned previously. I will say a few words about it in the next slide. And of course, change impact analysis. Panaya can analyze the impact of your SAP changes, identify risks and affected areas to ensure focused and risk-free deployment. This is a very powerful tool that can help you really to do risk-based testing in a smart way. So as you can see with Panaya, you have here a comprehensive solution for all your testing needs. We provide the only native platform, We have no acquired any tool to do that, Everything was developed internally by Panaya. So you have here a comprehensive solution for all your testing needs, one native platform that can combine these three pillars in one tool and one user interface. And this can really streamline the processes and improve efficiency across the testing lifecycle. Just before showing you a short product video, let me present the key benefits of our codeless test automation solution. First of all, codeless convenience. Panaya breaks down barriers with quick onboarding, enabling even non-coders to create robust automated script effortlessly. Our AI prompts make automation extremely simple and accessible. You'll see that in the product, we have added many generative AI capabilities that will allow you to converse with your automation tool in order to do automation. AI core power, of course, as it was already mentioned. Panaya helps you to know what to test by pinpointing the impact with AI power change analysis. And when this is coupled, with automation execution, this really boosts the regression testing cycle and enables smart risk-based testing. Our latest enhancement, again, with the introduction of GenAI into the automation tool, I can tell you it's a game changer to enhance and boost the productivity of testers with, complex operations that are extremely, extremely simplified now with Panaya. App excellence, what does it mean? Panaya's deep domain expertise in SAP and business application is not something new, okay? We master SAP and we are leaders in the world of SAP for many, many years. And this allows us to provide an optimized and robust automation engine made for SAP, okay, with self-healing algorithms to optimize testing, maintenance, and increase test efficiency and resiliency. Fast lane to automation, again, this is one of the big advantages working in one platform. You are working in one single platform for manual and automated tests. So you can expedite your journey from manual to automation by leveraging all your existing manual assets, manual test repository, all the documentation that was automatically generated by Panaya during your manual testing. And this will, help you to move very fast on automation and maximize the efficiency and speed up this transition from manual testing to automation testing. And again, this combination of the three pillars that you have seen previously, okay, test management, test automation, and change impact analysis, it really streamlines testing and secure your business landscape. Okay, so I'm sure you are interested by all that I've presented so far. So I'm going to show you now a glimpse of our codeless test automation.
Panaya is happy to introduce its brand new codeless test automation solution for ERP and cloud business applications. It is a SaaS-based, super friendly-to-use solution that will dramatically reduce your regression testing bottlenecks and help you automate and optimize your end-to-end testing. Meet Panaya's Script Builder, a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to capture and automate your ERP or any other critical cloud business applications effortlessly. Keep a close look at our codeless approach and user-friendly interface, which enables maximum ease of use and allows more contributors to participate in the testing effort. Forget about cumbersome setup processes. Installing Panaya's Script Builder and agents is incredibly easy and takes only 1 minute. Let's capture a quick test automation script. In this case, the modern SAP Fiora interface. The Script Builder instantaneously translates all activities on the screen into an intelligent, automated script. Unlike generic web automation tools, Panaya's deep domain expertise recognizes the Fiora objects on the screen, such as calendars and tables, and understands the user's intent, building a robust, reusable, and meaningful script. Complex operations are made easy. Capture and validate on-screen values to add assertions with a single click. Build a reusable flow by leveraging parameters combined with advanced expressions. All of this with no code. Our script builder uses Panaya's AI-based capturing technology to auto-generate smart locators and find the correct element and self-heal your script in case of UI changes. Users also have complete control over AI-generated locators if they need to edit them or generate new ones. Want to trigger test automation on demand? Click anywhere in your test repository and simply run the automation. Do you need to schedule a weekly regression catalog? Set your schedule parameters, link your regression test sets, and you are done. Increase efficiency by deploying automation agents on multiple remote machines, enabling streamlined, lights-out testing with parallel executions. Looking at the execution results, you can analyze the last runs with an intuitive side-by-side comparison to previous runs and use our Smart Comparison tool to analyze UI changes in the blink of an eye. Open a defect for automation failures and save time with real-time developer collaboration. Panaya Test Automation. Go on, test us.
So I hope you enjoyed it. And unfortunately, I won't be at Sapphire this year, but you'll get to meet the awesome Amit Garusi. So he's much more fun than me anyway. So Amit, you want to say a few words about it?
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna be there, guys. So hope to see you and give you a direct live demo so you see everything in action. Until next time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone.